New day, new developments in AI. Let's get started and learn the new things. First thing, Agent Sky is the new kid in town, a new startup in Silicon Valley with a new concept, or let's say an existing concept applied to AI agents. It's nothing but Open Router for our coding agents. What we do here is we as developers select the model, select the harness, and leave it to Agent Sky. It will go about making necessary changes to your code base based on a prompt. Now, midway, if you think that you need to change your harness or the model with a small configuration change, everything comes into life with the new model. How? It'll take care of it, the context, histories, and current integrations out there. How do we use that? There's something called as Agent Playground that Agent Sky gives. You go to that Agent Playground, you actually put the same prompt across or use it for the tasks that you have. Go through various models, let it rip, see how much it costs, see how efficiently each model performs, a harness performs, select the best, and go continue with it. Very similar to Open Router, but applied to agent harnesses or coding agents. Next up, we have a new startup, another startup called Eigen Labs. Eigen Labs brings in this concept wherein if you have an idle Mac, that can make you money. They allow you to actually run open weight models there, and through the software, an open AI compatible API is exposed, and requests come to your laptop for inferencing, and that is given back to the user. The cost is 30% cheaper or more compared to the actual providers. People say $200 or $300 is being gained for people who are renting their MacBooks. The only downside to it is currently people who have MacBooks who have 48 GB or more are able to register. I think that they are improving, and in few days that will get better. Next thing, we have Levin Labs coming up with their first CLI version called 1.0. This gives our coding agents, coding harnesses, the ability to look at the CLI, query the CLI, and you can manage the entire Levin Labs agents, voice agents, voice infrastructure. Want to create voice based on script, music based on script. You can all control it via your coding harnesses. Next up, we have something called as code base map. Consider you've given a task to your agent harness or Cloud Code, and you go away, you come back, and you see a lot of changes done in multiple files. Now you're lost. This agent map, it's an open source software, comes in and you just let it rip parallelly when the coding agents are running. So what it'll do is it'll trace every step. It'll give you a beautiful graph connecting multiple dots, and every dot has the number of steps going through. When you come back, you can just click on that and understand what's changed, what at what step. Pretty cool, neat feature. You can try it out. Next thing, OpenAI is merging Codex and ChatGPT together. You'll just have one app. That's about it. That'll be ChatGPT, Codex. I'm not sure. We'll take a look at it in a few days. Next thing is stealth mode. All of you are aware of XAI, OXAI, the new model, mysterious model in town. Client went about testing that model. It used one of its bugs, then it tested against XAI, and it tested against Fable 5. It found that XAI cost 3x tokens lesser than Fable 5 and it solved the issue. Let's see how it goes in future. Next thing is Anthropic released another new slash command called ELI5. This is the command that they use internally to educate people on the new changes in the code base. It gives you, when you run that command, it gives you clear documentation or picture infographic on what that particular code base does or module does. It's a clean little feature that you can explore. With that being said, all for today. This is all for today. We'll come back with a new episode tomorrow. See you then.